Welcome viewers to Electric Repair Tips. Today I've come with another video of an amplifier. Its board is getting hot. Let's open and find out. Please play the whole video to see all the tips. So we want to open it and find out what is causing this. Follow all the steps that are in the video to fix your own amplifier. I've opened it. Right, this is the transformer and its cable to the engine. Right, from there, the rectifier, there's a rectifier that convert AC to DC, that one. On this engine, there are two rectifiers. AC is from this cable to this rectifier. This is an inductor and two capacitors. And the second rectifier, which is D1, that receives power from these two capacitors, and it then distributes to all these MOSFETs and transistors. So this one is the one, the D2 is the one which is getting hot. It's getting hot, this rectifier, plus one of the capacitor on the right. It's also getting hot. Now we want to find out, or to test, or to check where is this short comes from. Right, let's open or remove the engine, because we want to turn it and see, or to trace the short. And plug all the cables nicely. Do not damage them, because you still need to use them. Right, so this is how you remove the plugs, the cables, sorry. Right. Yeah, I've taken out the engine, and we want to see. I've forgotten one thing here. There is this part. It's supposed to be removed before you test any of the parts on this engine, because this, when we test this on board, or when we removed it gives continuity, because it's just a wire from one side to another side. So to get proper readings, we need to first remove this from the board. Thank you. This is the other side of the board. Right. Now, let's start by, this is the capacitor. It's not shorted, or there's no continuity here. The other one is this one. I'm talking about, you hear what's going on here. This is the rectifier, the D1 rectifier with 4 legs. But the first one, the second, third, and fourth. So this means there is a higher chance of telling us that on our this second rectifier bridge there's a lot of heat here on these 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a lot of heat here, followed by this capacitor with 2 legs, and there is continuity here. So before we remove this D1, we need to take off this part which I told you to remove. Let's remove this first, and we then come and check our D1 and our capacitor to find if this short is still